Now let's learn the extrude, union, and subtract commands. This is a basic two-dimensional drawing that would be eligible for a final exam project for your introductory class. We're going to use it as kind of cookie to make cookie cutters, so to speak, and press out sheets of dough, so to speak, the cookies, to build up this into a solid 3D object. Let's make some copies of what we need. We'll certainly need all this straight across here. We'll copy, CP for copy, the 3 circles out, and we'll trim, TR, enter, enter, and lose that. So now we got all the pieces we need to cookie cut, press out a dough, and union and subtract. I'll erase the guys here. First of all, we need to weld this oval piece into a single closed polyline. Cookie cutters must be made out of closed polylines, ellipses, and maybe some other objects that slip my mind. But we got to weld this into a single closed polyline. That's done. We covered that in introductory class. Let's go here to the PEDIT command, or type PEDIT. Select any one of the objects, read the question, yes, I want to turn it into one, and use the join option, or J enter to invoke the join option. Select everything, hit enter, or escape to get out of PEDIT. Now click again, you see it's welded into a closed polyline. Let's extrude things to the thickness we need. The extrude command is next to the box command on the far left of the 3D modeling workspace ribbon. Well, we want at least this, maybe the circle, but we'll extrude that separately later. We'll extrude just the oval, enter. So specify the height. We want that to be 0.4. Notice everything is going to be formed on the dimensions layer, because that was the current layer of my 2D drawing here. I'm a little bit off top dead center, so we'll click on the top thing of this view cube, or PLAN, enter, enter. So we're looking straight down at it now. Now let's extrude these 3 all to 1 unit. We're ready to do a 3D orbit and get the warm and fuzzy. There, now we can see we do in fact have 3 cylinders, one inside another, and the oval. Hit escape. Let's move the 3 cylinders back where they were originally using the center O snaps. Double check again. Yep, everything seems to be in order. Guide it here to a southwest isometric. Escape to lose the gerbil wheel. Now all we need is to union the big pieces together into one piece, and then from that union piece subtract away the 2 sacrificial cylinders that'll vaporize the big object, leaving holes. We'll go union. That's the white figure 8 sideways kind of sort of thing here, or type union. Select the big objects, hit enter. Now let's subtract away using the next icon down from union, or type subtract. First it says select the big objects. Not very clear, but that's what it means to say. We'll select the big objects, hit enter. Now it says select the objects to subtract. So from the big object, we'll select these 2 sacrificial cylinders. There's our 3D solid object. We'll change the visual style to conceptual to get the warm and fuzzy. Yep, looks good. Escape. Maybe change the visual style to X-ray, or the visual style to hidden. So it's good 3D, and the holes do go all the way through. That's about it. Catch you later. Bye.